Llanas of Santiago National High School, your trainer for today. So today, I am going to introduce of what are the equipment we will be using during our discussions. So we have here first, the television. The second one is a laptop coming from the DepEd. Then, we have the third one, the lapel with its microphone, and then with its speaker. First, I would like to introduce the lapel. It will help every trainer to save their voice for the whole day of work. So then we have here the microphone. Then we have different kinds of ports. Then we also have here the modulator. First, second is we'll be using this laptop. So you have to turn it on. And then the third one, we have here the television and its remote. And the last one is HDMI. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. So in the HDMI, we have here 2 meters of HDMI and then it has 2 ends. So the first thing to do is to plug your HDMI part of your laptop and then connect this one to the television. Our topic for today is ready to set and ready for our class discussions. And then the last part of this activity is that I am going to give some safety tips to prolong our equipment. First, we have here the television. Our safety precautions for the television is that you make sure that it is mounted firmly to the wall. You may use brackets, braces, or wall straps to secure TV from damages like LCD or broken screen. Just like for this scenario. Then, the second one is power off your television using this remote to assure long shelf life of TV. Today, we have to connect cell phone to our television by using some steps. So the first thing to do is to open the settings. And then, you scroll up and down. You have to check and click for more connections. And then, click wireless projection. And then you have to click the unit of the television you are going to connect with. Just like this. 4 seconds. And okay, that's it. It's already connected. And you may now open your material for today. And that's our tip for today's video. And thank you for watching.